Hi guys, in this video we are going to make some beautiful bracelets with different kinds of beads. At first, take your elastic, measure your hand properly and let's start. After taking a perfect measurement, attach a jumper hook to the elastic. Do 2 to 3 knots so that it can be secured properly. After that, select the beads which you want. In this video, I am going to use neon pink theme beads. First, I am going to use these beautiful pearly beads of orange pink mixed peach color. At the middle of the bracelet, I am going to use this heart with a jelly structure. Then at the ending, some pink and pastel colored beautiful stars. And I'm also going to use some clay beads of colored pink. So let's start making our bracelet. At first, we will use a star. Slightly push a star to the elastic and place it like this. It looks like this and it looks super cute. After that, start attaching your wished or wanted beads. I am doing the pattern of pink ant. So one pink bead and then one peach like that, and in the middle a beautiful peach heart which will look cuter than cuter. Like this, continue your process until you want it to be completed or your elastic is completed. After coming to the middle of the bracelet, I am going to add this cute little peachy heart which has a back side and a front side of hearts. It's super cute. After adding the middle one, follow your pattern again. After completing attaching your unwanted beads, then you will need to attach this ring to the end of the bracelet so that it could be secured by the jumper hook. After completing attaching all of your beads and the jumper ring and hook, now it's all ready for you to wear it. In my opinion, this looks pretty cute on my hand. In this side, you can see stars. In this side, you can see heart and many pearls and clay beads. I have made many more bracelets like this. I want to show you in this video how I made it and how many I have made it. If you don't like the method which I have told you before, you can make a bracelet like this also. It has some super knots in the ending and is super stretchable too. You can wear it like this directly. And these are all my other bracelets and beads. Like this, you can wear it directly and it's also cool and awesome idea. These are all my other bracelets I have made. This is a beautiful necklace having a cool content special. It is made up of clear beads of different colors and a clear braid in middle so that the letters could be shown properly. Next is this simple and cute, I guess, bracelet which has only 2 stars and super clear beads. I kind of think this is a boring style in my opinion, but if you like it, you can do it. This is an evil eye bracelet with super cool pastel beads of 2 colors and some clear hearts with golden patches on both the sides of the evil eye and a hook and a jump ring on both the sides. Then this is my